Welcome to an in-depth exploration of one of the most remarkable organs in your body, the stomach. This muscular organ is not just a pit stop for food. It's a complex, dynamic system that plays a central role in digestion. Today, we'll uncover its anatomy, structure, and functions, learn about the organs around it, and understand how it keeps you healthy. Let's begin with the question, what is the stomach? And what makes it so special? The stomach is a hollow J-shaped organ located in the upper left side of your abdomen, nestled just below your diaphragm and behind your ribs. It's part of the digestive system, connecting the esophagus to the small intestine. Let's break it down into its key parts. Cardia, the top portion of the stomach where food first enters after traveling down the esophagus. The cardia contains the lower esophageal sphincter, which acts like a valve to prevent stomach acid from flowing back up, a condition known as reflux. Fundus, the dome-shaped upper part of the stomach. It's where swallowed air often collects, and it plays a minor role in digestion. Body, the main and largest part of the stomach where most of the digestion happens. It churns and mixes food with gastric juices to form chyme. Pylorus, the lower section of the stomach which connects to the small intestine. It contains the pyloric sphincter, a valve that controls the release of chyme into the small intestine. Fun fact, the stomach can hold about 1 liter of food and drink at a time, but it can stretch up to 4 liters after a large meal. The stomach wall is made up of 4 distinct layers, each with a unique role. Mucosa, the innermost layer that produces mucus, digestive enzymes, and hydrochloric acid. This layer protects the stomach from digesting itself. Submucosa, a supportive layer filled with blood vessels and nerves that supply the stomach and help regulate its functions. Muscularis. This layer has 3 sets of muscles, longitudinal, circular, and oblique, that work together to churn and mix food. This unique muscular arrangement allows the stomach to break down food mechanically. Serosa, the outermost layer, which protects the stomach and reduces friction between it and other organs. Fun fact, the stomach's muscular layers are so strong that they can churn food even if you're lying down or standing on your head. So how does the stomach do its job? Let's break it down. Food entry. When you swallow food, it travels down your esophagus and enters the stomach through a small opening called the esophageal sphincter. This sphincter acts like a gate, ensuring food only moves in one direction. Breaking down. Food. Once food reaches the stomach, digestive juices, including hydrochloric acid and enzymes, start breaking it down. Hydrochloric acid is very strong. It's powerful enough to kill harmful bacteria in your food. Mixing it up. The stomach's muscles contract and relax in a rhythmic way, mixing food with digestive juices to make chyme. This process can take a few hours depending on what you've eaten, sending it on its way. When the chyme is ready, it moves through another gate called the pyloric sphincter into the small intestine, where digestion continues. Fun fact, even though the stomach is full of strong acid, its lining is protected by a thick layer of mucus. Without this mucus, the stomach could digest itself. The stomach works closely with nearby organs to ensure smooth digestion. Liver. Located above the stomach, it produces bile, a fluid essential for digesting fats. Gallbladder. Stores and releases bile when needed. Pancreas. Sits behind the stomach and produces enzymes to break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates in the small intestine. Small intestine. Directly connected to the stomach, it's where most nutrient absorption happens. Spleen. Though not part of digestion, it's near the stomach and helps filter blood and fight infections. Fun fact, the stomach and diaphragm work so closely that irritation in the stomach can sometimes cause hiccups. Here are some surprising facts about the stomach. The acid in your stomach is so strong that it can dissolve metal. Thankfully, The stomach lining regenerates every 3 to 4 days to protect itself. A condition called gastroparesis occurs when the stomach muscles don't work properly, slowing down digestion. While the stomach's primary role is digestion, it also produces ghrelin, the hunger hormone, which tells your brain when it's time to eat. Fun fact: ancient Egyptians believed the stomach was the seat of emotions, not the brain. To keep your stomach healthy, eat a balanced diet. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Limit spicy, fatty, or overly processed foods. Stay hydrated. Water aids digestion and helps the stomach break down food. Eat mindfully. Avoid overeating and chew your food well. Smaller, frequent meals can reduce stress on the stomach. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to stomach issues, including ulcers. Try relaxation techniques like deep breathing or yoga. Your stomach is not just a passive bag for food. It's a complex and essential organ that keeps you energized and nourished. Its ability to process a wide variety of foods is nothing short of amazing. Fun fact: some animals, like cows, have multi-chambered stomachs to digest tough plants. But humans do just fine with one. And there you have it, the stomach, an organ that works around the clock to keep you alive and thriving. From its muscular layers to its partnerships with other organs, the stomach truly is a masterpiece of biology. If you found this exploration fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends and family. And as always, stay curious and take care of your body. It's the only one you've got. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more amazing journeys into the human body.